All right, ladies, it's time. I have had this same set on for about 3 weeks, and I know they look horrible, absolutely horrible. This color is gorgeous. I love this color, and I love the glitter. So my next set will probably have some glitter in there as well. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I definitely need to fill this because it's been over 3 weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and file off the gel. I use this metal safety bit here. So I'm just gonna pop that into my drill just like that. And then I'll drill my nails off of camera because that's not fun to watch. It's pretty boring. And it's standard. There's nothing fun about that. So I'm going to drill off my gel polish and then I'll be right back. All right, I'm done. Filing is the most tedious part, so that's why I just do it off of camera because it's not fun to watch. Anyway, I went ahead, I took all that gel polish off. I refined the shape a little bit, tapered it in, and just took out a little bit of the bulk. And I like it. It looks really good. It looks like when I'm done, I'm going to be very happy with this set. All right, so now what I'm going to do is use this cuticle pusher and push back my cuticles and my sidewalls. This is what's going to prevent lifting, ladies. Push those cuticles back. Yeah, so that way you can file with the cuticle bit, which I'm going to do next. See, I have my cuticle bit on there. Oh, turn that down. Okay, so I'm just going to take that cuticle bit and just go along my sidewalls. It is metal. I believe it's a carbide bit, but it doesn't hurt at all. There's a little safety piece on there. And I'm just going to use that to go around and clean up my cuticles and sidewalls. It actually feels good. It may look and sound like it's painful, but it feels really good actually. Just get all that dead skin out. Get it all out of there. Yep. Looks good to me. All right, so after I file, I always like to just wipe off the excess dust with alcohol. So this is 91% alcohol, but 70% alcohol is just as good. So just got rid of all the dust. And as always, I'm gonna go in with my ASP, prep and dehydrate. You really do not have to do this step if you use the isopropyl alcohol, but it's a habit of mine. And like I said, I've had this for so long and it doesn't even look like I used any out of it. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and prep the nail with it anyway. And as always, going in with, oh, okay, let me stop singing. I'm going in with my Mia Secret Extra Bond Primer. we're going to use is this McCart base coat. You can use any base coat you want. It doesn't matter. I just wanted to switch up from the rubber-based gel that I've been using. I just wanted to try something different. So I'm going to use this McCart. And as always, my Mia Secret acrylic. I love this acrylic. This is a 2-ounce container, and I want to say it was about $5. You get so much. I have had this for a long time, and it's so much in this container. You get so much. It is a very good deal. So McCart base coat and whatever acrylic you have. I just happen to have this Mia Secret. So this is it, guys. This is all you're gonna need to fill your nails. How exciting! Okay, no more singing. I'm sorry. All right, what we're gonna do now is just apply a layer of that base coat on all the nails. It is so smooth and creamy. I really like this base coat. I was so used to using my rubber base coat that I forgot what a regular base coat feels like. And this is very like creamy. It's very, I don't know what else to call it but creamy, guys. Okay, just go with it. And then we're gonna dip our finger into the acrylic powder. I hate how the flash from the camera makes it look like it's a lot of acrylic on my finger. It's really not. I think the next time I record, I'm gonna do it without flash, just so you can see, because from where I was sitting, you could hardly tell that there was any powder on my finger. All right, we're gonna let that do a flash cure of just 10 seconds. After the 10-second flash cure, we're just going to go ahead and do all the rest of the fingernails exactly the same. Apply a layer of the gel polish and then dip it in the acrylic, flash cure it for 10 seconds, and just do that to all our fingernails. So easy, guys. This is like the easiest way to fill your nails at home. It's so inexpensive, and you really can't mess it up, because if you don't like it, just don't put it in the lamp and cure it. Wipe it off and just start all over. It's really foolproof. So if you're just starting out doing your nails, I advise you to give this a try. I'm sure you already have gel polish at home anyway, and buying this acrylic on eBay or Amazon or AliExpress, it's really inexpensive. So I think this is the most cost-effective, easiest way to get your nails done at home. All right, so I'm just gonna cue in that good old music because it's either the music or me singing, and I know you don't want to hear me sing, so here we go. Okay, so I had to cut the music off so that we could just listen to the sounds of the nail file. Like, I just enjoy listening to the nail file. I will watch nail videos and just listen to the file. For some reason, it's just so satisfying to me. Like, am I the only crazy one? Oh my goodness, I hope not. If you love the nail filing, this section is just for you. And then, as always, we're just going to use some alcohol and just wipe off all the extra dust from the filing so that the extra coat of gel that we're about to apply does not lift and it's a smoother application. All right, so let's get that same base coat gel polish we were using before. And we're going to apply a very thin coat to each fingernail. It's just going to seal in the acrylic that we just did. So this way it doesn't peel or crack or anything like that. It's just, we can just call this the protection layer. So we're going to apply the protection layer of gel to each nail and then we're going to cure it. They look so good. I'm so excited. All right, let's just take some alcohol and wipe off that inhibition layer as always. I can't believe I filled my nails that quick with gel polish and acrylic, and they actually turned out amazing. They look so good. They're smooth. Like, I'm buffing them, but I feel like I really don't have to buff them. They were already so smooth. I'm so excited. I don't even know what I want to paint them like, what color, but at least they're done. Oh my goodness, guys. You have to try this, ladies. You have to try it. As usual, after we finish with the filing and buffing, we're just going to get some alcohol and wipe off all of the dust that we have created. Now, if you don't want to use alcohol in this step, you can wash your hands with soap and water. I just use alcohol because I have it next to me, and quite frankly, I'm lazy. I don't want to get up. All right, after I do that, I always go in with my cuticle oil. This is the oil that I made. I use coconut oil, jojoba oil, and a bunch of other ingredients I cannot remember. I made this so long ago, but it works great and I love it. And there you have it. I filled my nails with gel polish and acrylic powder. I can't believe it was that easy and fun to do. Oh my goodness. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.